Hi viewers, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine. Today, we will make fresh lime specially for Ramadan. So before start recipe, I have a small request to you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel then do it. Press the bell icon and must like our Facebook page. Let's start the recipe. To make the fresh lime we took a clean blender. Add 1 glass of water in it. Add little bit lemon juice in it. 5 tablespoons of sugar. Half teaspoon of black salt. If you want, you can use white salt instead of black salt. Few fresh mint leaves. Now we blend it well. We properly blended it for 1 minute. Now we pour it in a clean glass. Add little bit ice cubes in it. 1 leaf of fresh mint. Fresh lime juice is ready. Tell me in the comment box that how you like this recipe. If you like this then must share this with your family and friends. Subscribe the channel, like the videos. I will be back with new video. Goodbye.